Iruka, my daughter, take this drink and give it to the man who is so heartless enough to steal you from us forever by paying your dowry.
Iru baby, Iru what a wakata wabuma. Yana chi. Mege. Yeah.
I will never be alive to see this marriage happen. Over my dead body.
Azuka, what's the matter with this?
Azuka, why are you sleeping by this time of the day? I thought you went to farm. Okay, what is it? You're here sleeping. Chibo, wait. So it was a dream? Dream, Ke? You're here dreaming. Something bad is about to happen. How do you mean? Hey! What is happening? Arinze is about to pay Ruka's dowry. Hey! That was what I just dreamt of now. It's like They're about to do something, no? Hey! To see it happen. You're going to die.
My lord, here comes the cola.
It's here. Thank you very much. Our people said, OGBUAGU, there's an aka.
You are very right. Arinze, I know that your blood is hot.
I can't wait.
You want to see your... So you see, in our place, when you come for something like this, we have to get confirmation first. So our daughter is getting ready. When she comes, she's going to give us permission whether we should take all these things that so don't worry. So I'm going to break the cola nut now.
Break what? Break your head! What kind of madness is this? Arinze, what is going on here? Can you remember?
See, Azuka, just calm down. Later we'll talk about this.
You are very stupid. In fact, you must be mad. Oh, you want to marry Iruka? You want to marry Iruka? Not when I'm alive. It will never happen. Omame!
Look, Azuka, live here. Live here because I don't want you to spoil what we are doing here.
Ichie, may that word remain in your mouth. Hey! Okay, I will not watch and see it happen!
Little baby, see that sign? You know how to tidy. Wait. Who are those shouting out there?
It's true. Somebody is shouting. Hey, Ego, please go and check.
Hey, you're looking so fine.
Thank you. What is it? Mama, it's Azuka. She has started everything they are doing. She
Look at what Azuka has done. On a cover. Okay, the quadro.
That is why you came to destroy my marriage.
Betrayer of a sister.
That is why you came to destroy my marriage.
You want to marry a prince, okay?
Your madness has gotten to this level.
Don't let us carry on things, sister. Stop. Mama, let me die. I want to kill myself. I want to die and kill myself. Please don't do this. I want to kill myself and die. It has not gotten to die. It has gotten to it. What am I living for? No business, no shop. No shop again. Hi, let me die. Oh, please, sister, now I'm going to die. Don't do this to me, please. If I look at you, my son, don't do this to me. Please, don't do this. What is happening? You just came back from the city. The next thing is to carry rope to hang yourself. Hey, I'm going to because move your head. Mama cannot move it. Look at your mother. Look at your mother, please. Mama, no. Mama. If I look at your face, I will not kill myself again. Please look at me. No. Have mercy on me. I want to die, Mama. Remove it from your neck. Mama, leave me. Let me die. Remove it from your neck. Remove it. Oh, Mama, you are stopping me from dying. No. Please don't die. Don't die. I will not take this. I will not take this. You see that girl? I will kill her.
I will kill her. It's okay. She's gone. I don't know why that girl is like that.
She's a mad girl.
Arise. Hey. Let's go. Papa. Papa, just calm down. Oh, let me see how to settle this. Now the mad girl is gone. We can continue.
Arise. Yes, we can continue.
This marriage is not meant to hold. We have to go.
Papa, please, don't say that. Don't do this to me.
Look, this is an own bed.
Sir, please, it's temptation.
My son cannot continue. Even if he will, we must think about it. Arise, let's go.
Arise, let's go.
Calm down, I'm coming.
No.
I'm coming, please.
Arise,
let's go.
Hey, baby, I'm coming. Don't worry.
Arise.
Papa, I'm busy.
Hey. Can you imagine she called me?
Sister, calm down. You see this girl? We will deal with her. This will not end like this. Since madness runs in their family, we will show her that we know how to treat mad people. We will cure them. Yes. Go and get it. We have to re-strategize on how to continue this marriage. I'm going to hear him.
That was just a tip of the iceberg to the real thing. Okay, Friruka, I am ready to give her however she wants it. I am waiting for her.
Nne, what you did was right. Why will Arinze do something like that?
No. Hey, Papa Arinze, fine boy without sense, very senseless. But don't worry, I will deal with the two of them.
Your sister is very, very wicked.
I'm telling you.
She must be using something on Arinze. On a normal day, Arinze will not do something like that.
Yeah.
Ogini, what is it? Who provoked you? Why is your face like this? Why is your face cuttered?
Mama, you just arrived. You don't need to know why the face is cuttered until the war starts. Okay, Firuka, tell her that I am waiting for her. She's yet to see the Second World War. She's yet to see it. I will give it to her in full. I will. I am waiting for her. Whoever that knows Iruka should tell her I am waiting for her. I am waiting for her, Mama. They don't know me. How can someone take what rightly belongs to me and I'll keep calm? I will not, I will not. I won't. What did I ever do to her? What?
And it has become a world war affair. I am a World War III, too soon. Coming soon.
She will embrace what this time around?
Am I? Who am I here now? I'm your sister.
What kind of nonsense is that? I won't take any rubbish show. I will not. Man, I have off. Nonsense.
It's a sign that this marriage will not. Look at the things. She's scattered everywhere. Arinze, Papa. In fact, I know what to do. I'm going.
We were here when she scattered everything. We can still continue this thing.
What was her father's brother?
Papa, leave all those. Let's know how to go.
Papa, please, don't do this. She has gone. We can continue.
Sir, please don't go this fucking house.
Hey! Arinze, listen to your father. Let's go.
See.
Giovanna,
See, go now, okay? But I'll come back. Let me go and plan with my father, okay? I'll be back.
Hi, Chineke. Nah, people never go. No, no, Zienu ka imebe no. Oh.
No, don't worry. We'll sleep over this matter.
Sleep over. I'm one when him. I won't be la rola ki game.
After the first world war comes the second world war. Makogo bon. About your first match, about return match, Makogo bon. Iman about your first round.
Anywhere I see that useless girl, I will kill her.
Onye no love, weta kuwisi, oge weta kubanya, ogobanya. Onye no love, weta kuwisi, oge weta kubanya, ogobanya.
Nine. Why would Azuka do a thing like that?
But that means their fight will start again. But I thought they've settled this issue already.
Settle which issue? That Azuka and Iruka's issue. I don't think anybody can settle it. You needed to be there to see what happened. Well, I just said let me attend to play my duty as a good kinsman. Because if I don't go now, they will say, hey, Mbakwe this, he's a bad uncle, he's a wicked uncle, he's not a good kinsman. So I have to go and perform my duty.
Papa, you don't look well. You didn't see me. And now that you have seen me, you don't want to ask questions. When you were leaving this house, your son was not around. Now that you are back, you have seen your son. You can't even ask. Oh, Nna, why are you back? Is there any problem? Eh? You want it and you're talking about other people's problem. When your son is here, you don't want to ask, why are you back?
Nine. It wasn't an easy one. No? Immediately you left, our son came back and threatening to kill himself. If not God, hey, thank God we were around. Alukali mene bata.
Akara. Hey! Onakofa! You wanted to kill yourself?
That is it. And Papa, even as it is now, I am still ready. If nothing is done about my situation, my shop got burnt. If nothing is done, I will kill myself. There's no point of living in this life without a shop. I will kill myself. I'm still ready.
Nah, please calm down. Wait and listen to your father is here.
All right, Odema. Wait for me, eh? I'm coming.
Brother, you see, I told you that when Papa comes, he will solve the matter.
My dear, don't kill yourself. If you kill yourself, you go to hellfire.
Problem. As far as Papa is responding.
Don't worry.
If Papa is bringing like 2 million, 3 million, let me know.
Akara.
Papa, what is this?
Oh, you mean you don't know his name? Obi, tell him.
Papa.
Akara, it is called a rope.
What for?
Eh? You don't know what a rope is used for? Akara, do you want me to help you to tie it around your neck and use it for what you want to use it for? Or we have trees here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are many. Choose the one with the biggest trunk, and the branch that you will put the rope. Make sure it is well balanced. I will help you with a bench so that when you stand on it, I help you to kick it off.
Papa. Nan, do you know how we suffered this morning to get this rope off his neck? Oh, you want your son to kill himself?
Akara, when you go, Biko, greet my father, When you die well, oh, greet your father, my father, that's your grandfather. The uncles, my uncles, greet all of them. My wife, as you can see, I'm seriously famished. I'm hungry. But if you want to die with him, bye-bye. Then I will ask Obi to prepare my food for me. The way you are looking at me, if you also want to follow them, fine. Die with him, bye-bye. Then I will go myself to go and prepare my food. Akara, greet them for me, No, help me. No.
Papa, see what you have caused now. Papa, see what you have caused now.
Akara, you want to kill yourself?
Yeah! Akara, remove this thing from your neck. Akara, don't do this. Remove this thing from your neck. Akara!
You mean he did all that? That means that Iruka can't be trusted.
At all, Mama.
I mean, Iruka is your sister, your first cousin. How can she betray you like this?
But Mama, trust me now.
Trust me. I gave it to them the way they really wanted it.
I go on.
If I really dealt with them. Mama, I will not leave and watch Iruka get married again in this village. I will never live to see it happen. It will not happen.
Adane, Chelu,
this guy Arinze is cunning. Why not leave Arinze for her?
Makagenezi?
He's not genuine. Why would he want to bring problem between two sisters? I will do no such thing. I will not. Why did you put out Nene? Were you not here when he first came for me? You both were here. You were here. You saw what happened. Getting kept on rapi. I will not. This is betrayal. I'll wait for this Arinze. He's not a serious-minded young man. Marife, he's just hopeless. Onyefo, he didn't suck his mother's breast. Because if he had, we wouldn't be talking about all this nonsense. And I'm sure he doesn't even eat through the mouth. Only God knows through where. He's a hopeless boy, useless.
Mama, I know Iruka. Iruka can do anything to achieve her aim. She's very desperate. That word that she wants, I am fully ready for her. However she wants it, I am ready. What about Jazweja?
But I don't understand that young man. Of all people, your own sister. He first came for your next thing on divert and ban. It's not a good one. It's not a good one at all. In the same family.
Can you imagine?
What? Oh, this is good.
Yes.
I am happy now.
Mama, why do you drive joy in my problems?
Arinze, I am happy. Didn't I tell you that girl is not your wife? I told you I never wanted that girl in this family. Look at Azoka that loves you so much. All of a sudden, you diverted to her sister and you expect her to keep quiet.
Arinze, we have to abort that mission. I have seen what your mother was saying.
Oh.
Let's go and beg that girl, Azoka.
That's all.
You made a mistake.
That's all.
One minute, my guy. I told you, no one will support you to do this to her. No one. See, Azoka was the woman you wanted to marry. All of a sudden, you diverted to her sister, Iruka. And you expect her to be happy. It's not fair now.
Nai, I am happy now that your eyes have opened. Arinze, The only thing that will make peace reign in this family is for you to go back and marry Azuka for me. She is the girl I want you to marry. Else, I will not be happy with you.
Mama, why are you saying this? Why? Is it not my life? Eh? Don't I have the right to choose whom to marry?
No, Arinze. No. See, I will tell you the truth. If you're not marrying Azuka, you better not marry from that family.
Where is she? Azuka! Come! Yeah. Come out here because I am ready to die today. I will die with you. Where are you? Come out! Buta! I will come inside that house. Come out here! Here.
Okay, what is the problem?
Man, don't even ask me anything. Just carry your mouth and stay one place. Else you'll be the first person to die now. Where is that Azuka? Let her come out because she's the person that I came here to see.
Who is shouting like a mad
What's
that? So, you think you can come into my compound with people up here?
She's holding a whip. Bring her up.
If you have strength, drop that thing. Let's have it bone to bone. Bone to bone. Drop that weapon. If you're strong,
this is war.
Don't kill her! You will kill somebody's child! You will kill somebody's child! You will kill somebody's child! You will kill somebody's child!
Hey, woman! Leave my cloth! I will kill you! I will pieces you! Look, I have one bone, oh. Maybe you don't know.
I will not leave you. I will kill you first. Oh, your son came back from the city. You could not do anything about his shop that got burnt. Before you kill my son for me, you and I will die first.
Papa, this is bad though. But this is not good at all. At all, it's not good.
What do you mean it's not good? Am I the one that burnt his shop? What do you want me to do?
Papa, is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? You're not the one that bought my shop. No problem. No problem.
Leave Papa. UCHE.
You must
now let me
settle
do
him.
my mind.
You must settle him.
Settle him how? What do you want me to do? Settle? How do I settle him? I don't have money.
Your son's shop got burnt. All you could do was to give him rope to hang himself. Mbakwe, sorry. You heard that dog in you? You think I have not heard how you go about helping people in this village?
One bone, no.
Yeah. Papa, but please have pity on your son first. Then coming down, not giving him rope to kill himself. Papa, he did not do well.
Mejanu! Method of fire that your mother used to vomit nonsense. Idiot! People are talking, you are still talking.
Mbakwe, Sonda should also fire my daughter. You gave the other one rope to kill himself. It's obvious that you don't love my children. You don't like them at all. But before you kill them, you and I will die first. I am ready to kill you here.
Mama, no need. Leave Papa. I've settled myself. You see this thing? This is the document of that land at Amajeke. Yes, that big land. Papa, if I did not say this land, call me Mugu. You know that I'm a Mugu.
Don't go. Look, don't say that land.
Yeah.
Leave me. Don't say that land, oh. Don't say the land. Tell him not to sell the land.
Let him go and sell the land.
Then,
Let him
come back.
I cannot sell the land.
Woman, leave me.
I will not leave you.
Leave me. Leave me. One bone, oh. One bone. Go.
Mama, you're wasting your time. Sitting here and crying will never solve this matter. You better come, let's go and find Auntie Ruka before she injures someone. No.
But how can Mbakwe be the first to leave here when the in-laws were still here? Why would he do that?
Mama, you're asking me. Like you don't know how that man dislikes our family. He doesn't wish us well. If it were Azuka and her family now, I know he would side them. He's forever supporting them now. I'm as the way, yeah. Sister, what happened? Sister, again, what did I do to you? Hey, man.
Anything.
What is it? I'm going to confront that smoker.
The next thing, her sister, even her mother, joined hands to fight me.
Hey, what did I do to you? Hey, Nebe, just small, just get me wrong. And whatever. I'll be fine, don't worry. Hey, sister, you didn't enjoy Nebe, just small. I didn't wound. Hi! What? No, they will beat me too. Yeah? I don't know her children will beat me today. They will kill me. So they had the mind. Actually had the mind to fight you with her those useless daughter.
Mama, don't worry. Leave them to me.
No, I won't take it. More than Mama, or not possible. Let me quickly go and change and go and meet them. Hey!
Mommy, this serious.
I will not accept it.
Mama.
Oh, don't acceptable.
Leave them to me. Mama, can you leave them? Leave them. Eh? I cannot call God to come and fight for me when I know that I can fight for myself.
Akara, right?
Yes, it's Akara left. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine. Bros, I'm fine. I don't greet you. Are we for this one you are squeezing your face like puff puff?
Just forget him. Is your father at home?
Oh, yes.
Sorry. This is Akara, his son.
I want to see the man. I want to talk to him. Yes.
Hope all is well.
No problem.
Well, it's not my business. People should go to his house. He's there. If you want to sell him, sell him. If you want to carry him, carry him. I don't have any business. Go to his house. He's there. As for me, I've settled myself. Go to Chief Abode. Try to go.
That was just preamble. Obviously, personally, if I'm not I'll be fighting Kakurupan.
My sister, you are very, very strong.
I believe you.
Hey. I'm not a fan. She's a stupid girl. By now she'll be regretting. Not fed the man. Good for her. Oh no, Katan, no, let her be about to fight how many people.
Can you imagine?
Hey. Asuka, do you think you're the only person that is mad who put hands together to beat my daughter the way you did?
Hey. Bia, what brought you into this compound? Oh, okay, see. You have come to collect your own beating, right? Please get out of my compound.
She has come to collect her own beating.
Please, Mama Iruka. I don't have anything for you. Because thank God you met my mother at home. She's your match. Go and meet her. Nonsense.
Come back here. Am I doing it? Are you mad? Are you dragging me? Then walk out of me. Why would I walk out of you? Shut your mouth.
You dare slap me? I will slap you again. Next time you lay your filthy hands on my daughter.
Very good. Yes. I came to complain about the way you beat up my daughter. And you raised your filthy hands to slap me.
You are the mad Onyala. You are the mad woman clothed.
Yes.
Let me tell you, if you do not get out of my compound, what I'll do to you, you won't like it. Very good. So get out of here, man.
What you want?
Oh, you're coming. Shout.
Sit down. What did you come to my house to do? Why are you here?
Nah. Sit down.
Mama, which one be sit down? My frog will be. I bet tell this man to carry us come. I'm not happy here.
Who is he and why is he not happy?
Mbakwe, he's your son.
My what?
He threatened to kill me if I don't show him his father. And my people refuse him from doing anything or taking anything from our place. So I decided to bring him to you. Ogini, what is it? Don't do that!
Papa, why the first now? You go check Kaka. Papa, when you wake up now? What's going to this now? Papa! Papa! Wake up now!
What happened? Papa,
Papa, wake up!
What did you call him? Get water! Get water! Get water!
Papa, wake up now! I mean, you don't get time. Papa, wake up!
Get water! Hurry up!
Arise, you have to cheer up. Okay? Everything will be fine. Just relax yourself.
Brother, try and cheer up. Please be happy now.
Hey, now, God should manage this.
But this is not just what I want now. You see now balling here. I'm not just happy. You see now I want popcorn ever.
You have to. My son, you have to. Harry, tell him. Why is something like this happen? You don't know what God is trying to take you away from. You are at fault. Here, you are at fault.
Arise, you have to listen to your father. He's right. You know, in this journey of marriage, yeah, before us. So listen to him. Put yourself together.
How is it my fault? No, how is it my fault? Yes, I wanted to marry Azoka, but don't I have the right to change my mind?
And you have the right to change your mind, but not in this context. Okay?
Thank you very much. Cheer up.
You have to leave, oh. You better leave because you are a liar. So you are here to scatter my family. You will never succeed. You will never succeed. Your man can go. See, if you know where you had your bath, better go there and pick your clothes. You might be Salah who the question not gonna get back.
He did deny it. Is he not here? Just put yourself together and stop struggling. You didn't deny it.
Mile, no your bother. Make they go. You understand? My hobby say I don't know my roots. You understand? So maybe they go. Pile, see as matter go be. Go they move, I'll enter worry, come back. So when I come back, we'll come to the later matter go they go. You understand?
Hey. Go on. Biko. I don't want any problem, oh. But let us settle this matter amicably, oh.
Papa, you want to settle the matter for our side? So you know what make I stay with you? Papa, see, as you see me soon, my brain, as it don't make sense, wear pants, jump fence, so I don't want to change. Because if you want to back me, go so estate for airport road, because of me. Are they crazy? Allow me to hold on the sleep. Are they crazy so well? Are they crazy so well? You know everything, oh. Are they color? You know.
Bros, if you dey mad, no be here. If they hear am, no be here. See, that's where they look for. You will get it. Mama, let's go inside.
It will not work.
Oh, come and stay.
What's wrong with this left hand side there for?
Sorry. Where your slippers go?
Mile, make they move.
Did I do any bad thing bringing your son back to you? I have suffered a lot all these years. I am old enough to know what is good and what is bad. My happiness now is that my son now knows his father and he knows his roots.
It is now left for you to know what to do. I have done my own bits.
Let me quit the go. I don't see him. Now, small. What is it? If I get the one this time, I will sell it.
Worry. We no get time to wait, oh. We go scatter the place, oh. We no get time to wait, oh. We go scatter the place, oh. Now who won't try worry? You go bow for worry. Now who won't?
You see why I didn't want you to go there? We warned you. ILOH manage her. You see what they have done to you? Mama, sometimes it can be unnecessarily stubborn. See, sister, you see this fight is no longer between you and Azoka alone. It's a fight for all of us. Hi. Yes, so look at my body. Okwawa. Osetigo. Hey! Look at me. Ndi etikamo. That is if I think at the pan. Do you know that Azoka had the mind to flog me 12 strokes of even one on my bum? Azoka, Ajula and her children, they beat me silly. I need all of them gathered together. Hey. So from now it is free for all fights. Let me get well first. Anyway, I see Nene 101. Okay, I get burozia. Unganu kesi burozia. Mama, are you sure you are okay? Ego, just go and get me hot water. Just go and get me hot water. Get me a boniki. That's strong one. Hey! Hey!
When will this fight end?
Uncle, to be honest with you, this fight will never end. It will never end, though. Tell Iruka to undo what she did to my man. He came for my hand in marriage. Suddenly, he diverted. I don't know what she did to him. She should go and undo whatever she did to him. If not, we will fight till thy kingdom come. This fight will never stop. Simple. Nani. What Iruka did is it fair? Or the mama? On your sikwabulia.
Ajolo, what we all should be thinking of now is how to settle this matter and not to make it worse. I wonder why you joined in the fight.
Mumapa, fight. Hey, I'm not fighting them, or rather they are the ones fighting me. Can you feel me? Yeah? It's just so painful that nobody wants to know the truth. But you know what? My daughter is here. Maybe she will tell you exactly what happened. Man, if you that Iruka, that girl is evil. She's evil. Iruka Buaro. Uncle, Iruka took my man, my own sister, took my husband to be. I will not take this. She should go and undo what she did to him. I'm sure she bewitched him.
I wonder why Mbakwe will not settle this matter. Azoka, you could tell me, how did it start? Because if we have heard about it, and he sent me to find out what exactly happened.
It can never be settled. Mama, you know everything now. I will not take it. I will not. Just calm down. Oh, calm down. Chief Amadi here is going to handle the matter. As for that stupid Chembakwe, an old man that still pinches young girls. Very wicked man. Do you know he actually gave out Iruka's hand in marriage to that young man when he knew what was happening? Can you imagine? I will not take this home. Iruka doesn't know what is coming her way. She doesn't know what is coming her way. Can you imagine? I won't take it. I will marry you. I know. Then all of a sudden, just like that. Or twa reverse. Oh no, to reverse nonsense.
Chief, I greet you.
What is it?
Chief, thank God I have met you here. I've been waiting for you in your house.
Akara, what is it? When did you come back from the city?
If I came back today. Chief, I have something for you. I have business for you.
What is it?
Take a look at this.
Wow. Is this not the document of the land I helped your father to survey?
Yes.
And I've been begging him to sell it to me.
Chief, you know that I was one of those people that their shop got burnt at Chochanjara time. Since that time, I have not been doing anything. I'm no longer doing anything in the city.
Your father told me and he came for money.
You see? That is when we want to sell this land. We want to sell it, Chief. I want you to buy it. Give me money. Let me go back to city. I'll start up my business again.
Let's go and see the land after we'll talk about the price.
Let's go
after we'll talk about it.
Let's go and see the land. Chief. If I'm not going to go there.
You are not going anywhere until you go and bring back Azuka in this house.
Mama, what is it? Please allow me to go. You've seen how the whole thing went. Eh? Allow me to go and cool off my brain and relax and think straight. Please.
It's a lie. You want to go behind our back and bring that stupid evil girl to your house. Eh? Oh, my man.
Brother, this is not fair. You have to calm down. Let's settle things before you go back.
Settle what? No, settle what? Say, listen, let me tell you. Yeah? I am not going to marry that girl again. If you want to call me a bad person, go ahead and do that.
Brother,
I don't care.
You're not a bad person. But if you don't want to marry Iruka, don't marry Azuka. Don't marry any of them. Please.
Don't mind him.
Yes.
Even your friend, Harry, told you that you messed up. Yet you don't want to listen. If you don't bring Azuka back to this house, you will not marry any other girl. You will not marry any other girl, Arinze. I've told you. Okay. Arinze, you can go. Arinze, you can go. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Hey, this is not fair. Oh. Eh? This is not fair. Arinze. Arinze, move. Okay.
Mama, Bikonu. Please, it's okay. You can't continue to cry like this.
Obi, go and look for your brother. Tell him to go home and hear what your father has done.
Where do you want me to go and look for brother?
Search for him everywhere. Search for him everywhere. He needs to come and hear this.
Okay, stop crying. I'll go and look for him.
Lady, I know. Stop crying now. Biko, it wasn't intentional.
Mbakwe, please let me be. Let me be. Your son will come back home and hear what you have done. He will give you a very good handshake.
It's not my fault. I didn't know.
See, the dad is very useless. Hey, you don't need to tell me.
Thank God you've taken a wise decision.
I don't know, Chief. How much are you giving me?
I'll give you 2 million.
Chief, it's not good now. It's not good. Look at the land is very big. I will go it's on a very good site. Look at after this one, you see that Obiora sold. Obiora sold is 6 million.
Akara, you know, I'm into business of buying and selling land. So if I buy it from you, I'm going to resell it. So I need to make profit.
Chief, that 2 million is not good. Add something. Add something.
Okay, I'll give you 3 million.
No problem. Chief, when am I getting the money?
I've no problem. By Monday, you get your money.
Hey, Chief, this one that you are here, I hope all is well.
All is well, my brother. I'm into business of buying and selling land, so we are doing our business.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Akra, it's like you are selling the land. It is not selling, no. Sold. Oh, sold. Yes, I mean sold. Chief, now. Hey, you're a brilliant boy. You know, I have been worrying your father to sell this land so that he will pay me back the money he has been owing me. No, you're a brilliant boy. Yes. You sold it. Chief, I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what I say, Pico. If you are talking about the money my father is owing you because of this land, this is now my personal business. Yes. Go to the house and meet my father. Let him pay you your money. Chief, let's go to the house and sign documents. The land has been sold. He's
right. How go and meet his father? To see what everywhere. From the east and to the west. Mama, they fight. Begin the fight.
Sister, your food is ready. Come and eat so you can take your pain reliever. Sister, come and eat. What are you doing with knife? Mama! What is it? Come and see. I told you to call Iruka to come and eat her food. Mama, look at what she's holding in her hand.
Iru, come and eat your food. Your food is getting cold.
Mama, see what she's holding.
Iruka, what are you doing with that knife in your hands?
Mama, if I don't kill that fool today, I will not sleep. Who is the fool? Iruka, come back here! Leave her! Let her kill her! Let her kill her! Let her go and kill her! Here! Yes! She deserves to die.
Okay, if she kills her, what will happen to her, Iruka?
Mama, nothing will happen.
Ego, wait, listen.
Nobody does that.
Wait, you know that we understand that what she did was wrong. We're only fighting to defend her.
Mama, forget about being wrong or who is right here. She now had to come and destroy what we are doing here. The penalty for what she did is death. Let her die. Yes. Yes. Ego, Mama, don't become me anything. If for that girl, let her die. Whatever sister wants to do to her, I am in support of it. 100%. Anytime I catch that, what's her name? Nene. Hey, what I will do to her? Mama, remember the Gamu Asi Kwaton Kem? Sister Kajim Manag, I feel not like that.
Ego.
What? Papa did what? Papa, you did what?
He hid it from me all these years.
Hey!
My son, I am sorry. I'm sorry.
Papa, you are sorry. Papa, you are sorry. You see you, I am going to deal with you. I'm going to deal with that boy too. If he tries to enter this place, I'm going to butcher him. I'm going to murder him. Hey!
Calm down. Calm down. We can settle this. We'll go and hid this whole thing from me all these years. See, if not that the boy was disturbing her, I'm not sure she would have brought him back. So let's settle this in Akara.
Papa, the only way to settle this thing, for you to go and tell him, let him not try to come back to this house again if he wants to be alive, because I will kill him. One be, no be, he will die. I will kill him. Go and tell him, he was here because I was not around. If not, I will kill him. I will kill him and I will kill everybody that wants to challenge me. It will not happen. It will not happen. Let him not dare me. Let him not dare me. Papa, even you. Let him not dare me. If I give me a some way question, you will see.
To see what everywhere. From the east and to the west. Mama, they fight. Begin the fight. Get them boy OGBUAGU. Sisters are fighting. Brothers are fighting. kedumbo ebi ogwebe nine ojosa bakulo gama lo no ko bonwo ima no ko bonwo ogubo.
Hey, sorry. My body. Wait. Sorry, just take paracetamol. Okay? Take me. Yeah. No, don't lie down. It's not good to lie after taking medicine. Maybe you can go inside.
After the first world war comes the second world war. Makogubo. About your first match, about return match. Makogubo. Iman about your first round, about second round. Ogubo. Onye no logo game wetanku wisi oge wetanku banya ogobanya onye no logo game wetanku wisi oge wetanku banya ogobanya.
Where is the food?
Papa, Mama said there's no food for you.
What? How can I not eat in my own house?
Yes. Agu, yes. There is no food for you. Since you are the man of the house, and since you don't want to behave like one, I'm going to take over. There will be no food for you until you call your son back and do the needful. A girl you and I loved, all of a sudden your son changed mind and you joined him. And you want me to be happy? Mama, is it fair?
Mama,
or the
Mama, it's not Papa's fault.
It is his fault. Why would he not behave like an old man he is? Agu, I warned you. I warned you not to go to that village to pay that girl's bride price. But you went behind me and followed your son. It is me and you in this house.
Onyinye,
Papa,
call your brother and tell you what I'm passing through. That your mother will not give me food in my own house.
Papa, I will call him. But you will have to tell him to come and do what Mama have said. I want him to marry Azuka. Yes.
Yes.
Just for Azuka to be a member of this family.
Yes, Papa.
Is that all?
Yes, Papa.
Is that all?
Yes, Papa.
Okay. I will talk to Arinze.
Now you have come. Else there will be no peace for you.
Bring my food.
There will be no peace for you until you do it. Is it food you are talking about? You have to beg me. Mama. Oh, Gini. What is it? Huh? You owe me Anna, Biko.
Hey, what is this now? Eh? Which problem have I caused for myself now? Hey, I greet you.
Why are you putting up this face? I expect you to be happy by now. So why all this one?
Why should I be happy? No, tell me, why should I be happy? Look, I don't have time for any talk now. Eh? I don't have time for any talk. Enugo?
Okay, very good. You don't have time for too much talk. Quietly go inside there and count my money complete and bring out. I too, I don't have time for too much talk.
Okoro, what is this now? Huh? I thought we've settled this.
Settled what?
We agreed that when it is my turn to pack money at the meeting, then I will pay you. Why are you asking me of the money now? Is it my turn yet?
You? when it is your turn to pack money in the meeting that you are still owing. Let me tell you, in case you don't know, they have agreed to be deducting your money gradually till the day you complete it. Personally, I'm not going to wait till that time. Go and bring my money now that you have sold your land.
Bia. Sold which land? No, which land are you talking about? When did I sell any land?
I have had enough of this rubbish. Do I look like a baby robber to you to be asking for money when I'm not supposed to? Did you not sell your land to Amadi? How did you say?
Me? Sold my land to Amadi? Which Amadi are you talking about?
Okay. Now tell me, where is your son Akara? Did I not see him with Amadi at your land by express?
No, you are correct. No, you are right. You are right. Very correct. Papa, I sold the land. Yes, I have sold the land.
Eh? Akara, you said what?
Yes, I sold your land.
You sold which land?
I sold that land because it's my land. I sold it before your illegitimate son will go and claim it. Well, hey! I'm waiting for him to come. I'm going to kill him myself.
Hey! What is he saying? Which one is the illegitimate and legitimate son?
Hey! Please, just leave me now. Go.
Hey! Akara! Hey!
Akara sold my land. Hey! Onakofa! My land! Akara! Hey! Now I'm hungry.
Hello, Papa. Why are you talking like this? Why? I thought you were with me in this. So what Onyi said was true. Papa, it's okay. I will think about it and I'll get back to you. It's okay. Just give Mama the phone. He doesn't want to take.
What is it?
My mother is going out of gear. She doesn't want to give my father food because of her vote.
Arinze, I will not mislead you. Go home and do the needful. I told you, don't go and ask for Iruka's hand in marriage, but you did not listen. If I didn't go with you then, you would say I am a bad friend. Now, look at where it has landed us.
How am I going to do this? How am I going to do it? What face will I use to face her? How am I going to face her?
Well, Azuka still loves you. She will understand. And she's ready to marry you. Iruka, her sister, is a bad influence. She's not a wife material. Look at what she did to her own sister.
But I love both of them. I love both of them already.
I understand. But please, go for Azuka that everybody is asking you to do. Go for her. Marry Azuka. See, marriage is an institution that you never graduate from. For your own good and so that peace will reign in your family.
This is so shameful. Very shameful. You see what I told you? I would have married that girl, Ella.
Tomorrow I'll come to your house and prepare a very nice meal for you. Yes.
Why not this night?
Baby, remember I told you I'm going to attend our church vigil today. tomorrow I will come.
Oh,
you know,
true.
I need to pray for our marriage so that it will work out.
It's okay. I will as well go home and put it in prayers too.
Yes. Don't go anywhere else.
No, for what now? I'll be fine.
Okay.
You take care of yourself, huh?
Okay, you too.
Yeah.
Babe, when are you even coming to meet my people? When are you coming to see them?
We agreed next week.
Next week? Okay.
Are you good now?
Yeah.
You take care of yourself, eh?
Take care of yourself too. Bye.
He's not what you think. No, he's my brother, yes.
Who is your brother? What's going on here? Is it? Come on, stand there.
Baby, this guy, he's my brother.
Who is your brother? What is going on here?
You told me you're going for a vigil, and this is a vigil. Is this how you are?
He's...
Please
forgive me, please forgive me. Please forgive me.
This girl is just a terrible girl.
Please
don't touch me.
He's my brother.
You're still saying it. Me, your brother.
I'll kill you.
Please forgive me.
What are you saying, man?
I swear to God, no.
You're such a terrible girl. I don't know why I'm so unlucky. I don't know. Well, Arinze, you're not unlucky.
God could be saving you from having a bad marriage, just as he did with you and Ella, that runs girl, that have been deceiving you all this while. Oh, please focus on Azoka. Leave any other side distraction. Focus on Azoka, please.
It's okay. I'll try. Cheers, mate.
Akara, you will kill me today, oh. You will kill me today. In fact, what am I even saying? You will kill me today.
Papa, leave me. Papa, leave me. I have not done anything. No. I only took my own share of my father's property. That's what I did. I didn't do anything wrong. If you want to die, I will not kill you. Papa, leave me now. Eh? You kill me today.
Mbakwe, what you did to us is even worse than the land. You see this house you are living in? We are going to sell it off. Oh, you've been keeping that land for your illegitimate son, okay? That's why you refuse to sell that land all these years. But we are going to help you to sell it this time around. Okay. Leave this boy alone.
Okay.
Don't injure him.
I will die for you people now. So you really have mind to sell my land, Akara?
Papa, what you are doing is medicine after death. Medicine after death. What is done is done. The land I sold, I've sold it. Good. There's nothing you can do about it.
Get ready to die, you.
You see that from that money, I'm going to use it to lock up your son. Let him come back here. He's going to rot in police cell. Oga for one.
See, Papa, what you did is not fair. What you did to your family is not fair.
But so you have been actually saving that land for that boy that came here.
Mejonu, you are joining them to talk to me. You are following them. Don't worry. I will die for you people. When I die, you people will miss me. You know you are a woman. When you will marry, you will be looking for me. Here is my father. Here is my papa. Then you will know. Yeah. You will miss me.
Nothing will happen. Okay. Don't mind him. Hey. Nothing will happen. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Papa, okay. If you like, kill yourself. If you kill yourself, yes, I will take 1 million naira from that money I sold, the land I sold. Use it, bring good canopy, and bury you very well. Papa, you want me to die? You did not help your son's life. All you could do was to carry rope and give me, say, I should go and hang myself. I should choose any of the trees and kill myself. You see that money? If you like, die. I have the money. And you, if you die, burial. Proper burial. I should die. In fact, people should start bringing canopy.
I should die.
Papa, don't kill again. If you want to die, die.
You kill me today now.
I'm not killing you.
Kill me today. Papa, I'm not killing you.
You want to die?
I will die. In fact, people should start breaking canopy. Come me.
Okay, are you standing there? Are you watching him? You see that fight your family wants, eh? You will see it today. Nonsense.
Nene? Is Nene your name? I can see that madness. Eh? There's madness in your generation. But you see, you're talking about fights. It is war, real war, that will give you.
Muma, you will give me war. You are mad. You see that your sister, she can never marry that guy. Your sister is a husband snatcher. Tell her to leave Arinze alone.
Did you just call my sister a husband snatcher?
Yes.
Ego. You want me to Ego. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. I will kill this girl.
I know.
Then you are about to die.
They will kill you.
I will kill you. I said you are about to die.
I will kill her.
You don't have respect.
I will kill you. She will kill you. I will teach her a lesson today. Tell your sister to leave my sister's husband alone.
And you have the guts to hold my dress.
Are you not holding my?
We're back again. I'll kill this girl today.
She will kill you.
Nene.
Ego. Stop. Stupid baby. Let me calm down. Oh. You wicked. Come and fight me. What have you done? Ego, you don't have that. Keep quiet. Come and fight me.
Serious, my dear. I'm telling you. Ifogo. Hey! You know that Nene used a big stick to hit Ego on her head. You see that Ego? She don't have any power. If you see her mouth, tell this girl I'm going to kill her. Oh. I haven't thought she's going to lift her up. I get don't have power. Forget her big body. Nonsense. If not that, Iruka is my sister's friend. I could have joined Nene to beat that Ego of a girl.
No, now. Wonder how people have subtle injuries. It's not fair.
What are you saying? What is not fair?
Why will you join to beat her?
Why won't I beat her? What is your problem? Why won't I beat her? Since their work in this village is to go about fighting up and down. Now let me follow and beat her now. What's my business? Everybody's fighting, so let me join in the fight. What are you saying?
No, it's not good.
You are very stupid. See, in fact, let's go to my house. Let me go and tell my sister. Very stupid. If I don't follow me, stay here.
Sorry, Joe. So I cannot play with you.
This fight will end today. This fight will end today. Let me hear that I did not kill her. I will kill her today, even in a beer. I know she will pass here. She will go to farm. I no fear. I don't blame her. She thinks she's the only one that likes good things. I said that I would have married since the chief when a man here. What is her problem, Seth? After all, I am far older than her. All money the duty more than her. Why they hurry? Cool down. She has time. Other men will come for her. But she wants to fight me because let her pass this place today. Rubbish.
After the first world war comes the second world war. Makogo bon. About your first match. About it come back.
How could you have done such a thing to a fellow lady like you? Do you want to? It was the corner Ziani.
Shut up your mouth. Is something wrong with you? Are you mad? I'm asking you. So, you walked right into my father's compound, standing before my mother, not common sense. Are you mad? Listen, Ella or whatever your name is called, don't ever repeat this journey again in your life. Get out of this compound now before I inflict the part 2 of that injury on you.
You know fit. Don't dare me.
Yeah, wait. Hey, you see Julian one, that's what you're disputing. It's like man. Who is that your friend you're talking about? Did you ask her what she did? You gave her no to take sides. Do you know what your friend did?
Mama, I don't care to know. Just look at what your daughter did to another woman's daughter. And you are supporting her, Her own sister for that matter, Mama.
You just wait and see. Me, I personally is buying this case. See, yes, I'm buying it. I'm buying it. Someone make Chibolo. And I'm buying it. What can you do? Will you shut that thing you call a mouth? See, I will not have you insult my mother in my presence. Now in the city. I want this city put useless and foolish city girl. You think I don't know what you're doing in the city? You think I don't know the thing, your escapades in the city? If you dare open this wild mouth to talk to me or my mother again, I will tell the whole villagers what you're doing in the city. What will you tell them? Last, you go and tell everybody that I'm a city runs. What's that? I will beat you. I will beat the hell out of you. And I even now get out of this compound. Me, I am buying this case. So when female, I'm not a cousin. I said get out of this compound. Azuka, and where we female?